Hello everyone, this is KUS from China. Today, I will introduce the wiring of the KUS series ultrasonic level sensors, KUS-550, KUS-600, and KUS-630. They share the same wiring sequence, so the wiring method is the same for all of them. Here, I will use the KUS-550 in my hand as an example. It is the RS485 plus 4 to 20 mA version. The wiring definition is as follows. Red, 12 to 30 VDC. Black, GND. Blue, RS485A. Green, RS485B. Yellow, 4 to 20 milliamperes. It supports replacing the cable material, for example, with this type of corrosion-resistant shielded cable. For the wiring definitions of other output types, please refer to the product label or the product manual, or consult technical personnel. Next, we will begin the wiring. After the wiring is completed, confirm that the wiring sequence is correct and that the sensor power supply is normal before powering it on. The wiring explanation for the KUS series is now complete. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.